Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question. Our today's question is: a welder is qualified with E7018 electrode without backing. Can he weld with E6013 as per ASME Section 9? So the welder is qualified with E7018 electrode and that is without backing. Now whether he can use E6013 electrode or not. So what will be the correct answer? I have given you 2 second time. Please write the correct answer. The correct answer is yes, but with backing only. How? See, to understand this requirement, we need to refer QW 433 of ASME Section 9. QW 433. First, we need to know the F number of the electrode which he has done welding and F number of the electrode which is in the question. So F number of E7018 is 4 and F number of E6013 is 2. Now if you'll go in table QW 433, so this is a part of QW 433. This is not complete, but this is a part of QW 433. And our question was F number 4, that is E7018 without backing. This was our question. In the question it was asked that the welder is using E7018 without backing. Hence F number 4 without backing. This column will be applicable. Now we want to know about E6013 qualification. So E6013 falls in F number 2. So this row will apply. First one is F number 2 with backing. Second number one is F number 2 without backing. So we can see this cross in second last row. This one means a welder qualified with F number 4 electrode without backing will be able to do welding with F number 2 with backing only. So the welder will be able to do welding with 6013 with backing only. So this is the correct answer. Yes, with backing. Yes, with backing only. Now one fundamental concept is that if there is double V groove, if double V groove welding is there, then that double V groove is also considered as with backing only. Hence the welder can do welding with E6013 with backing, or if it's a double V groove, then also that welder can do welding because double V groove is considered as with backing only. Friends, I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet. Please join my channel and support my initiative financially. And we have come to end of our today's video. Hopefully you will understand the concept. Thank you very much.